Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So, as you can tell by the title, we are on day 6 of the A&A Glitter Advent Calendar. So number 6 is up here. So far, I've loved all these glitters. I love that. Okay, oh that's pretty. Psychedelic. Shall I zoom you in? Better, innit? Psychedelic special mix. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, so this is a multi-mix. All different sized hexagons. Oh, excuse me. Oh, so sorry, I wasn't even shot. We have yellows, pinks, orange, green. Did I say yellow? Yeah, some of them are iridescent. So let's swatch this. I have a swatch stick today. I was doing it on some tissue, but I found my swatch sticks. Oh. Need the clear acrylic, that will help. That's very pretty. What the hell is that? Yeah, this is really pretty. It's more of a summery glitter. Shit. But I am not mad. It's so pretty. Shit, I nearly dropped it. It's so pretty. Yeah, I really like that. Gorgeous. Right. That is day 6. Oh. Psychedelic. Oh, I'm not showing you. I'm so sorry. It's because I'm zoomed in so much. Gorgeous. Right. I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves and you will see me in my next one. Bye bye. Can't pause it. Bye.